Good morning, everybody. I just noticed my camera didn't charge, so I'll need to do that when I get back to the room. I'm gonna go try this pistachio iced latte. It's plant-based, which means I can drink it. Give it a shot. My favorite coffee bar. Heading to Marceline's for some breakfast. Oh man. Oh, I almost tried that fried rice.
It's good.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, got breakfast with a view.
No, I like the view.
Wow, so pretty. This is super cool. All the Thunderbolts are getting ready. We are in Grand Cayman this morning. Oh, there's another cruise ship. The Celebrity Reflection. Getting ready to go meet all the princesses. Excited. Only 3 people in the hot tub. We're gonna go check out the adult area for a second since it's kind of cloudy right now. And hopefully people are tendering and heading to Grand Cayman, to the island. So maybe the adult section won't be so crowded. And then we're gonna head to the rainforest room. Oh yeah. Well, I was aiming for a light bowl. It's about 2:15 right now. Dinner's at 6:30 at Palo. But yeah, it's avocado rice, black beans, chicken, lettuce, pico, and guac. Looks really good. I've never had the cantina yet, so before I'm excited to try it. Yum. There goes the tender boat. And we got another one coming in to replace it. They're a lot of fun to watch. After 5:30, we're officially leaving Grand Cayman. Also, the ship's like really turning. Everybody's all down watching the Thunderbolts right now. We're gonna go to the later showing because we're heading to Palo dinner soon. That's super cool. Man, we're really turning fast. Yeah. Very nice. Yay, you're very cute. Yeah. Very Sorcerer Mickey tonight for Palo. Ooh. I'm not sure what this is for. I'm sure it's got a very important purpose. Oh yeah, it's for lighting. Lift it up again. There, I did their jobs for them. Ta-da! It's like us turning on our light at Coco and nobody else had theirs on.
That is funny.
I asked the bartender for a semi-sweet champagne cocktail, and he said the drink, the current seasonal drink for the DVC is like champagne and peach schnapps with vodka and Moet ice on top, which sold immediately. Yeah. Get a little cocktail while we wait for dinner. So this is the crazy old fashioned, which is right there, yeah.
5 Trail blended American whiskey, Balmain, intense cherry. He said this is sort of like the jam they would put in bread.
Oh.
So they use that instead of syrup. He said so it's a little bit sweet.
Nice.
Let's try that out.
Yeah, my drink is also amazing. It's the best thing I've ever had on this ship.
What the menu did not say would have this.
Oh, it's got like an orange, chocolate covered orange.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I'm gonna have to check it out.
You want to stir it up a little bit? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. I do want to stir it up a little. Yes, thank you for asking me that question because I certainly do.
You might have made that mistake before. Always stir. Thank you.
Thank you. It's good.
Yeah.
You should try it.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh, that's delicious. That's so good.
Yeah. See if I don't have.
Oh my God.
See if I don't have one of these when you're
Doing champagne?
class
Yeah, I'm
tomorrow.
doing champagne class tomorrow. Why didn't you come back here just before, in between dinner or show and dinner? Yeah, because both of these drinks are incredible. Come to the Rose. It's amazing.
Welcome back and welcome home.
Thank you. Lovely. Just perfect time for dinner.
Yes.
The sunset. Oh my goodness.
Today.
Oh, we stayed on the ship. We went to the rainforest room. We took a long nap. We are very refreshed this evening.
Now we need to relax again.
Yes, very much so. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, thank you. Also good. Yum. Oh man. Delicious. So they sent out a amuse-bouche, the perfect first bite is what they call it, by the complimentary of the chef. It's a deep fried gnocchi rolled in Parmesan and in a marinara mushroom sauce. Smells amazing. So the bread course is this bread with garlic and basil. Like you could smell the garlic when you brought it over.
I think you said it's a pizza bread
Yes, they're pizza bread
with pesto sauce.
with pesto sauce
on top.
baked on, and these literally just came out of the oven. And that's a Parmesan cracker. Yeah,
Parmesan lavage.
Parmesan lavash. It smells incredible.
And there's a third kind of thing under there.
Oh,
Under.
oh yeah, a little breadstick. Too enamored with the pizza bread, which we actually have another pizza coming, like an actual pizza coming. I did not realize this would be the bread service. Oh well. Oh my goodness, I ordered the Palo Spritz. This glass is so fat. It's so big. Here it is on the menu though. Yeah, also this pizza, I forgot to even show it. It's the Bianca pizza with mushrooms and truffle oil and arugula, and it's fantastic. Yay! 2 thumbs up. Pizza. It's a pizza. Also, I want to point out the reason I'm talking to the camera right now is because there's literally no one around us. There's no one next to us, no one in front of us. Otherwise, I would not want to disturb other people's meals. But we're literally by ourselves in the corner. We're actually right next to the private dining room. We have the same waiter, Augustine, who we had for our brunch in the private dining room.
He remembered us?
He remembered us?
Of course he remembered us.
He was like, welcome back.
Every cast member is amazing like that.
Yes.
But he's just as friendly as he was.
Yes, he's amazing.
He's just as he has the same great recommendations he had then.
Yeah. Yep. So if you come to Palo on the Treasure, ask for Augustine because he's amazing. Looks beautiful. It's tuna, potatoes, and quail eggs.
Look at the grill marks even on these potatoes.
I know, and olives. And you got the veal
Yeah, this is the ossobuco.
on top of saffron risotto. Looks beautiful. Oh my goodness, pretty. Oh boy, we have never had this, and I've heard so many legendary stories.
I'll put it over there, huh?
So it comes with a demonstration, man.
Oh, just absolutely.
Am I getting filmed?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay.
If you don't mind, just here.
So
No pressure.
part of the demonstration involves me tasting your souffle. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I taste it and then I let you know.
Okay. Sounds great.
You cracked me up there. I was going. At least I tried.
You know what? You're part of the
Absolutely.
family, so why not?
Yes.
So it's a 3-step, yeah.
Okay.
Poke it, pour it, and drop it like it's hot. All right. Here
All
we go.
right.
Poke it.
Ooh.
Release
Yum.
all the calories. Send to the
That's
ocean,
right.
Oh,
They don't
there you go.
exist anymore. No
and
more.
then here goes the
Rise like hot air out of it.
calorie-free sauce.
Oh wow. How beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Because these souffles are so hot, we can drop this gelato in there. I will
Okay.
cool it down, give it an add-on flavor too.
Okay, sounds
Yeah?
great.
Sure.
Yes. Yes, please.
So you know how do you drop it?
Very carefully.
No, you drop it like it's hot.
Oh man,
Well,
perfect.
please enjoy.
Thank
Pots
you.
are extremely hot, yeah? Please be
Okay,
careful.
thank you. Aww.
Though calm the waters be,
Check
your
this out
ship
there.
was rocking.
The boats!
Now let's get that sparkling treasure!
You be missing one, Captain.
Fire me, that son of a jackal!
Aye,
Get yourself down here, Jack Sparrow!
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Did you say something about the treasure?
I'm the sixth knight of the fifth month! I'm foe! Captain from the Caribbean Sea! Aye, they must come out! That is the key! Place my hand on this scroll and yell out, yell out! Then the sparkling treasure you shall behold! Yo-ho!
Yo ho!
Yo-ho!
Yo ho! A pirate's life for me!
Woo!
got us a Davy Jones. He's big. That's the biggest Davy Jones. And he put my sunglasses on him.
Oh my god.
He's got some cool ass retro shades.
Styling.
Yes. Hey, we finally got some chocolate. I've heard two things. One, that there may be a shortage of the Disney Cruise Line chocolates, or also that they have discontinued it on the Treasure
Oh,
and forthcoming cruise ships.
okay. Yeah,
So-
but these are the different. These are the pirate.
Yeah,
chocolates,
these are the
so
pirate coins. These aren't the normal Cruise Line
they
chocolates,
can't-
which,
they can't not do.
to be honest, the Cruise Line chocolates are terrible anyways. They're very bad.
Probably not gonna eat these.
So I know everybody's like, "Oh, you get my chocolates," and they're like, "Well, I actually don't really eat them." I'm like, "Then why do you want them?" Also, I never even noticed until Mom said something that there was no chocolate,
Right.
because we just throw it away or give it away. So yeah, totally forgot about our pirate bandanas, which are over there. We went and saw Thunderbolts.
Saw Thunderbolts. It was really good.
It was so good.
Thunderbolts asterisk.
Asterisk New Avengers. It was great. We really enjoyed it a lot. So yeah, Palo dinner was great.
Oh man,
We had, I already forgot his name.
Augustine.
Augustine, yes. I'm very bad
A
with
lot
names.
of things have already happened since.
I
dinner.
know, it's been a lot. Augustine was great.
We had him for brunch. We had him for dinner. He was
Yeah.
incredible.
Yep.
He really,
So
really was amazing.
he did a good job.
He gave us great recommendations.
Yeah, he tried to order the salmon and he basically wouldn't let him.
It's I think it's the dish you order if you don't like
Anything
if
else.
you don't like anything fancy.
Yeah, so he got the veal instead.
I asked him for the salmon and he's like, look, if you could look for something else. He's like, you can
He's
get
like,
he's
anything
you,
else.
He's like, you can get salmon anywhere.
Yeah.
That was the thing he was saying.
Yeah,
He
but the
was saying-
veal
He was saying
is-
you can get salmon anywhere. We have several unique dishes.
Yeah.
Look for one
Look-
of those.
yeah, he's
And
like-
he had already recommended the osobuco, which is a veal,
Yeah.
and so I picked that, and it was incredible.
Yep. And my tuna was great. So anyways, we barely made it to Thunderbolts and then we barely made it to the fireworks.
But we did make.
But
both
we
of those.
did it. We did it. So anyways, Coco's playing in the background. Oh, I'm spilling water. So I'm going to call it a night. So we'll see you tomorrow. It's Jamaica. Jamaica is tomorrow.
Is what many of the people on the ship will be enjoying tomorrow.
Yeah, we're not getting off the ship. We're going to go to a champagne tasting. I am, anyways, because I forgot to book Sean. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Forgot.
Sorry. So anyways, good night, everybody.
Night, everybody.